You think you need a lot of money to start investing in Canada? You really don't. Today I'm gonna show you how you can start with as little as $1. So let's get into it. So let's clear something up right away. You don't need to be rich to invest. You don't need $5,000. You don't even need $500. Here in Canada, you can literally start with $1. If you're low income, you can still build wealth. You deserve to build wealth, and I want to show you how. When you start investing in small amounts consistently, something amazing happens over time. It grows, slowly, but grows. And that is what matters. But the biggest change is not only in your money, it's in your mindset. You start to see yourself as someone who is investing and someone who is in control. And that changes everything. And if you know the feeling of always being short on money, living month after month with that pressure on your shoulder, that moment you realize you are finally building something for yourself. It brings a kind of peace that is so hard to describe. It almost becomes addictive in the best way because you finally feel like you are moving forward. There are so many ways to start investing, and on this channel I break them down one by one so you never feel lost. But here is the truth. Before you start investing in stocks, ETF, or any type of investment, you need to understand what are you doing. Understand the basics always come first. Don't think a 5-minute video will teach you everything. We are here for the long game. In Canada, you can start investing in your TFSA with just $1 using platforms like Wealthsimple. That is the platform I'm using right now. And when you are ready to take bigger steps, you can look into GICs, ETFs, and index funds. Each option has its pros and cons. Take your time. Start small, learn on your own pace, and never skip the basic. You need to see the full picture, understand how money works, take care of your debt, organize your finance, and build your emergency fund first. Ideally inside your TFSA. Only then does it make sense to move into stocks and ETFs. Because investing without understanding the basics is how people lose money. And I don't want that for you. Be patient with yourself. Every investment takes time. There is no magic return, not overnight millionaire strategy. And if someone promises that, please just walk away. I started exactly the way you are probably starting right now, with small steps. I didn't invest in everything at all. I took time to learn first. And your investment portfolio is going to look completely different from mine because we have different goals, different timelines, different lives. And that's perfectly okay. You don't need a specific ETF or stock to prove anything. What matters is that your investments match your life, not someone else. That's why studying is so important. So you can build your own opinions and you can make confident decisions for your future. Stay patient, stay consistent, and trust the process. I really wanted you to start investing in 2026 and finally move beyond that comfortable zone that is holding you back. We can grow together step by step. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Before you start investing, make sure you understand what is a TFSA. It's one of the best tools we have in Canada. I made a full video explaining it and you can watch right here. I think that's the perfect first step for you. Go check it out and I see you there.